Let's introduce Miss Fiona, lives in Glendora. She is a college student. Due to pandemic situation, she had to continue her classes online. A few days ago, she noticed that her iPad screen was cracked. She became upset and looking for any reliable and reputable iPad repair service store near her. Meanwhile, her brother John suggested her to visit nearby iTech Xpress store. John explained that it is an authorized Apple iPad repair store in Glendora, famous for offering factory-grade repair solutions for broken iPad. Their expert technicians offer free estimation for screen replacement costs after thorough diagnosis. They always try to return back the device in proper working condition within the same day. They have a great stock of replacement parts, and the best thing is that they always use genuine spare parts. Their 30 days guaranteed repair service is available at affordable prices. So, stop wasting your time. Dial 626-777-4747 to schedule your appointment now. For more details, visit https://itechexpressing.com.